Good morning, ladies and gents. I hope you're having a blessed day. Welcome back into the channel where 10 to 100 X's truly do happen. Today we're looking at Terra Classic, Luna Classic trading at 0.000246. And I want to say, guys, I think the chance of Luna Classic ever even going back to 1 cent is very, very unlikely, even for the next 2, 3, 4, and possibly 5 years. So can we just please stop talking about this $1 price prediction? Yes, it's in my thumbnail and I put it there just to entice you to click, because I want you to learn the easy way and not the hard way that Terra Luna Classic is not going back to $1 most likely ever again. So yeah, let's talk about Luna Classic, guys. Let's have a look at some other bigger opportunities, better opportunities in the crypto markets at the moment. I'm also doing a $1,000 giveaway, a little way to say thanks to all you amazing people. Thanks to the subscribers, thanks to the new watchers, thank you so much to the VIP Patreons and all of the Patreons as well supporting this channel. All you got to do is subscribe to the channel to automatically enter, so smash that subscribe button. Let's boom this channel up to 10,000 subscribers. So Luna Classic is chilling at $1.625 billion market cap right now. We can see the last 7 days have been a bit choppy. We've seen quite a bit of volatility as well. Looking at Bitcoin, perfectly stabilizing and consolidating around this key 20.6k level. We bounced back through that 19.7k resistance, flipped into support, and to be honest, looking historically, I think Bitcoin is looking really, really nice for some accumulation. A 74% correction that we saw from the $70,000 almost all-time high. So it's pretty normal what we're now starting to see in the markets. We're in this accumulation phase. It could take some months or even years to get back above some key resistance levels, and the one I really have in mind is actually $30,000. I really think it's a huge psychological barrier that we need to see Bitcoin break. So what's actually going on with Luna Classic at the moment? Well, I think it's really nice that we understand what sort of has happened. So we had the first euphoric rush over here in June. The price came up, then we traded sideways for 56 days. Then we got the second euphoric rush over here. I think this is when the Binance sort of implemented and spoke about the burning. Over here, we had a massive rush up to 0.00059. It retraced down to $0.00018. So it's been 50 days, actually a bit more than 50 days. It's now been 53 days of sideways trading from the top that we saw over here, this explosive 599% pump. Now, what happened is, if we just zoom into the smaller time frames over here, we can see we went from this falling wedge into an ascending channel. And to be honest, it's really nice to see that Luna Classic is still respecting this particular channel. Yes, we've got a bit of volatility there, but we are actually traversing in this nice looking ascending channel, in my opinion here. So on the 4-hour time frame, things are looking pretty good. If we can keep following this trajectory, we might get another retest up here of the resistance trend line of this particular channel at $0.000265. Of course, $1 is just an absolute ridiculous number. Let's not even talk about it. But I do think we need to start looking at retesting the 0.000315 level if we can maintain an uptrend here. If we look at the daily time frame, bear with me, we can see we're still below that 20-day moving average. And when we're below the 20-day moving average, usually it's quite a bearish sign that we're getting rejected. We're still going to see potentially some continuation to the downside here for Luna Classic. So if it did happen, we'll retest the 242, and if we lose support there, we'll retest the 217, and if we lose support there, we'll come back down to 0.000179. So hopefully that doesn't actually happen, but that's what I'm starting to see at the moment, guys. It's a very, very similar phase here where we were sort of trading sideways and then boom. Are we going to trade sideways and then boom again? It's merely dubious speculation at this point. What is going on? Luna Classic burning. 26 billion tokens have now been burnt, 0.37% of the total supply. We're just not getting enough supply burn. That's one of the problems. You know, we're nowhere near even 1% yet, and even in 5 years, only 15.8% of the total supply is going to be burnt. So what's going to happen in 25 years? You know, we're still not going to have probably anywhere near even 75% of the circulation burn, which isn't really a good thing. We need more volume here. We need more burning. But I suppose what does look rather bullish is this chart here, which is still showing linear progression, linear growth with the burning. So we're not seeing any sort of slumps or lulls. It's continuously getting burnt the way it should be. But it does look like these jumps are getting smaller each time. So we're seeing less being burnt every single time, which is not good over the long term. So yeah, that's my kind of view on Luna Classic right now. What you can also do, guys, is get down into the Discord channel down below. There's almost 2,000 people in here. We're talking about all things pre-sales. We had some crazy pre-sales that we're talking about, technical analysis, and much more. So if you're looking to learn about crypto, beginner, intermediate, advanced, or just want to hang out, have a chat, come say hi in the Discord down below. So what can you do if you're potentially thinking Luna Classic is a bit exhausted right now? Are there alternative options? Absolutely. We've got the Dash to Trade pre-sale, which is suitable for anyone involved in the blockchain markets. We can see here, Dash to Trade provides crypto trading signals, predictions, and social analytics to help traders make informed decisions, effectively exposes you to high value opportunities within the crypto markets. Already it's raised $3.5 million, guys, so it's definitely raising money quickly during a crypto bear market, and I think it's really insane to see that it's already in pre-sale phase 2. So we're going to see it come to 5.16 million, and then what happens after that, it will go to pre-sale phase 3 or stage 3, and the price per D2T token will increase. So we can see at the moment it's 0.05, and it will go up to 0.0513. So if you want to grab some of this token, you can use the link down below. I do hold about $18,000 worth, so I am being fully transparent with you guys. It's featured on many flagship publishing sites, as we can see. It's already solid proof audited. It's already KYC'd on CoinSniper. It's fully doxed and transparent. It's an ERC20 token of a very low supply and completely tax free as well. Here's a few snippets of the interface and how the dashboard actually looks. So it's just another idea, really. If you want to diversify your crypto portfolio, you don't have to copy me. I'm just a YouTuber, and none of this is financial advice, but these are the particular coins I do believe in. And seeing a 1 billion total supply, if you think about it, like Polygon Matic or even Tamadoge that we recently looked at, they had a 2 billion supply and they pumped like to 20 cents and way beyond. Polygon Matic went over $1, so we could effectively see this also go way over $1 by the next crypto bull run. Here is the team right here as well. So really interesting to see what could potentially happen. Pre-sale stage 2 is 68% sold already, so don't miss out on this one, guys. You don't want to miss out on it. We have got a little tab here in the Discord about the pre-sales. We can see Dash to Trade, so we're talking about everything Dash to Trade here as well. So come and say hi, don't be shy. Just before we sign off this video, what else is going on? We can see this week on crypto Twitter, Musk takeover. Twitter crypto wallet in the works. This is massive for global adoption. Maybe Elon Musk had some cunning evil plan just to literally dominate Twitter with all things crypto, so he can increase his net worth to like some stupendous amount, like 1 trillion, because who doesn't want $1 trillion once you've already got 265 billion? I mean, crikey, can you imagine it? Like, he can just literally throw away $1 billion tomorrow and he wouldn't feel it. Can you even imagine that? Like, it's just insane. So we see a nice tweet here from Jane Mansion Wong. Twitter is working on a wallet prototype that supports crypto deposits and withdrawals. So that is extremely bullish, and I'm very keen to see what could happen from this particular play here from Elon Musk's acquisition. Another headline: Elon Musk, Twitter, Dogecoin, Blue Sky, and decentralized social media raise. So with Elon Musk buying Twitter, we've seen loads of dog-themed cryptos pumping and meme coins. So I don't know how long that will last, but in my opinion, it's probably going to be short-lived, but anything could happen here, so keep your eyes peeled. Another one as well: Terra co-founder Do Kwon faces 57 million class action lawsuit in Singapore. Good. He deserves more pain, more suffering for what he has done to the lovely innocent people in the crypto world, the retail traders that are suffering and lost their life savings. Do you think he deserves, freedom? Absolutely not. But this is just complete daylight robbery. He's stolen from people, deserves nothing back. Well, on that negative Nancy note, I suppose the least you could do, guys, is subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below what you think of Luna Classic and Dash to Trade. I will reply to you, and yeah, let me know what you're looking to do in the crypto markets. We've got a long crypto winter ahead. We need to have a strategy, right? So things you can do: subscribe to the channel, enter my crypto giveaway, $1,000. Just subscribe, check out the tweet down below, and share this video with 5 of your friends. That's the least you can do for me, and I want to test the power of word of mouth, and I want to test the power of people. Can you really help me excel this channel to 10,000 subscribers? I'm not going to stop. I'm not going to finish until I am satisfied with my work, but For now, we're looking at all things juicy like pre-sales, so let's enjoy the ride whilst it lasts. I shall see you soon. Bye for now. Stay crypto safe.